Hello everyone, welcome to CUET Current Affairs episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, under which mission is Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana (PKVY) implemented? A. National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture. B. National Food Security Mission. C. Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana. D. PM Krishi Sinchai Yojana. The correct answer is option A. National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture (PKVY) is part of the soil health management component of NMSA, focusing on soil health and organic farming. Next question is, what is the theme of India Mobile Congress IMC 2025? A. Digital India 2.0. B. Innovate to transform. C. Connect for growth. D. Tech for Viksit Bharat. The correct answer is option B. Innovate to transform. The theme, Innovate to Transform, underscores India's digital transformation and societal progress, aligning with Viksit Bharat at 2047. Next question is, which sector accounted for the largest share of private Capex in FY25? A. Information and communication. B. Transportation and storage. C. Manufacturing. D. Services. The correct answer is option C. Manufacturing. Manufacturing led with 43.8%. followed by IT and transport. Next question is, what is the length of the project Waterworth subsea cable? A. 25,000 kilometers. B. 50,000 kilometers. C. 75,000 kilometers. D. 100,000 kilometers. The correct answer is option B. 50,000 kilometers. Spanning over 50,000 kilometers, it's the world's longest subsea cable, designed to boost data capacity. Next question is, when was the Aravalli Jungle Safari project announced? A. 2020. B. 2025. C. 2024. D. 2022. The correct answer is option D. 2022. Announced in 2022, the project aims to create the world's largest jungle safari near Gurugram and Nuh in Haryana. Next question is, when was the Right to Information RTI Act 2005 enacted? A. 2003. B. 2010. C. 2007. D. 2005. The correct answer is option D. 2005. Enacted in 2005, the RTI Act promotes transparency and accountability in public authorities. Next question is, who won the Nobel Prize in Literature 2025? A. Amitav Ghosh. B. Laszlo Krasznahorkai. C. Orhan Pamuk. D. Salman Rushdie. The correct answer is option Laszlo Krasznahorkai. Laszlo Krasznahorkai, a Hungarian novelist, won for his compelling visionary oeuvre, addressing apocalyptic themes and art's power. Next question is, which plants are used in Breathable Art for air purification? A. Areca palm and snake plant. B. Rose and tulsi. C. Neem and bamboo. D. Lotus and mango. The correct answer is option A. Areca palm and snake plant. These plants filter indoor air pollutants, explained via QR codes in the structure. Next question is, what is the maximum speed of the LCA Tejas? A. Mach 1.2. B. Mach 1.8. C. Mach 2.5. D. Mach 3.0. The correct answer is option B. Mach 1.8. The Tejas achieves Mach 1.8. making it a supersonic multi-role fighter. Last question is, what drove the glacial advances forming the Finger Lakes? A. Solar flares. B. Volcanic winters. C. Milankovitch cycles. D. Ocean currents. The correct answer is option C. Milankovitch cycles. Milankovitch cycles, orbital variations, influenced global climate, causing Pleistocene glaciations. Now it's time for practice question. When was INS Satluj commissioned? A. 1983. B. 1993. C. 2003. D. 2013. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।